Hello everyone. This will be a very short video, hopefully, just to show you how to find and use the p-value calculator that you're going to use to complete activity 4.2 and possibly some other activities later in the course. So as you hopefully know, when you are computing a single sample t in this chapter by hand, you're not going to get a p-value. You can't compute that by hand with the formulas we're providing in this class. So we provide you with a calculator. And you'll find that right here in the Activity 4.2 folder. Right here, if you click on this link, it will open up this page for you. And there's more calculators here than you need. But for t, you'll be using this upper left one. And you just enter the t value that you calculated into this cell. So if it was 2.1, you just enter that. And then you have to enter the degrees of freedom in this cell. And the degrees of freedom for a single sample t is the sample size minus 1. So in this case, it looks like the sample size was 25, so we enter 24. If the sample size was 20, then you'd enter 19. And then press enter, and then you can see that it returns the p-value for you. It can give you a two-tailed p-value or a one-tailed p-value. At this point, you'll be probably wanting the one-tailed. If it's saying that find the probability of getting this mean or higher, that's a one-tailed test. Or this mean or lower, that's a one-tailed test. And I think that's what most of this chapter asks questions about. And we'll talk more about one- and two-tailed tests in the next chapter. I think that'll be enough for you to understand the p-value calculator. Obviously, if not, you should certainly contact me and I will try and help you out.